Purposeful design, travel with ease and look great doing it with the Aspire's 3 thin, light design. Ready-to-go performance. The Aspire 3 is ready to go with the latest AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor with Radeon graphics. Ideal for the entire family, with performance and productivity at the core. Visibly stunning. Experience sharp details and crisp colors on the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 16:9 aspect ratio and narrow bezels. Internal specifications: 8GB LPDDR5 onboard memory, 128GB NVMe solid-state drive storage to store your files and media. Wireless Wi-Fi 6 convenience. Maintain a strong, consistent wireless signal with Wi-Fi 6, aka 802.11ax, and 2x2 MU-MIMO technology. Improved thermals. With a 78% increase in fan surface area, enjoy an improved thermal system and an additional 17% thermal capacity, allowing for longer, more efficient work sessions while not plugged in.